How to allow camera access on Snapchat when no camera option is there. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Snapchat application on your device, and here, as you can see, it's asking for camera access. So go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and scroll down and tap on the screen time option you see there. Further, tap on the content and privacy restrictions option. Here, if you tap on the allowed apps and features option, as you can see, the camera toggle button is toggled off, which means the camera feature for my iPhone is entirely toggled off. So go ahead and enable the camera button, or you can also simply disable the content and privacy restriction toggle button as a whole, which also means that apps and features on your iPhone will not have any restrictions anymore. Now, go back to Settings homepage and tap on the Apps option from the bottom and scroll down and tap on the Snapchat option. Here, make sure the toggle button for camera and microphone is toggled on, and if not, then go ahead and enable the toggle button for camera and microphone in order to record videos and take pictures in Snapchat. And now, if you go back to Snapchat, you will see that the camera is no longer restricted. So this is how you can allow camera access on Snapchat. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.